Hey guys, today we're going to talk about this ball and racket that we got. It comes in this nice mesh carrying case. The rackets have a smooth side that's good for the sticky ball and a Velcro side that's good for this squishy ball.
I want to go first.
Can you hold this for Mom? Okay. So here's the rackets. I'm going to throw that on there real quick. So you see that ball sticks there. Here, throw that ball on here. And that ball sticks there. So you can play by yourself. Oops. Try again.
You're dropping them.
You can play by yourself. Can I try with this one?
I like that one.
Or you can play with partners. You guys want to play together?
Yeah.
All right, do you want to play? Let's play sticky.
Let's play sticky.
This ball.
This one?
Yep. So turn your palette. Okay, so you're gonna want to catch it on this side. Okay, so you guys step away from the bag. Come over here, Brixie. All right.
Can we do it like this?
Joan, just toss it back and forth, please. Play with it.
Brace.
Whoopsies.